So here we have the Nissan Qashqai on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then underneath these trays, even more boot space should you need it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car, which are 19,093. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of trip computer information, eventually back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using were just here. We've also got stereo controls over that side. On the right-hand side, we've got both cruise control and speed limiter, as well as the ability to answer and end phone calls. That is, of course, once you paired your phone up, and that is done over on the central screen just here. Same place as you'll find the radio. So this car has got FM, AM, and DAB digital radio. To pair your phone, you hit the phone icon button, and then touchscreen, you hit connect and follow the instructions on screen from there. This car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video that shows how that works on our website and on our YouTube channel. And if I pop the car into reverse, we then have a not only a reversing camera, but a 360 overhead camera. It's a bit hard to see in the sunlight here. But yeah, you get the 360 camera. And if you press the camera button, you get a front-facing camera, the 360 camera, or a front-facing camera, and the front passenger side wheel. So with all of those cameras, it does make it very easy to park this car. We also have satellite navigation on this system as well. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures, the fan speed up and down. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off, or you hit auto, and the car will maintain those temperatures by taking full control of the fan speed. You can override that at any time you wish to. This car's also got a heated front and rear screen as well. Below that, we have the electronic handbrake and a 12-volt charging socket, the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then driver and passenger heated seats. Finally, this car's got a panoramic glass roof, so the sunblind is closed at the moment, as you can see. We've got a button just up here. Give that a push, and that sunblind will open all the way to the back of the car. And as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of light. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.